Am I the asshole for not inviting my little brother to my wedding and not telling him until the day before? I, 26 female, just got married a couple of weeks ago in Norway. It was amazing. From the start, me and my fiance knew we wanted a child-free wedding. No one under 21. We did this because we both find children and tweens super annoying. But we did make sure to provide childcare for little kids. Here's the problem. I have two siblings much younger than me. My full sister, who's 15, and my half-brother, who's 14. My half-brother is the result of an affair my mom had while my dad was away for work, which caused their divorce. Me and my fiance decided to make an exception for my sister because we're both very close to her, and she's really mature for a 15-year-old. My mom figured that neither of my siblings were invited and that they would just be staying in the hotel for the day. She was okay with it because she thought that at least they would be able to have each other while we were at the wedding. But when I told her that it was just my brother who wasn't invited, she was pissed and she was sad, saying that he could not stay there alone. I said he was free to stay with the kids, who were all under 10, unfortunately. She told us that we could do whatever we wanted, but we had to break the news to him. So me and my fiance decided not to tell him until the day before to avoid any major drama during the weeks leading up to the wedding. When we told him, he threw a fit. I told him that this is why he wasn't invited in the first place, and then I just left. The next day, we had the wedding, and it was amazing. Me and my fiance knew we made the right decision. When I got back from my honeymoon, I was met with angry texts and voicemails from my mom's family. Half of them refused to go to the wedding when they found out my brother wasn't invited. Apparently, my mom spilled the beans to my aunt, and she told everybody else. So am I the bad guy?